Today we'd like to go over a couple quick and easy tips and tricks to preparing your grill for the busiest grilling months of the year. Just a couple minutes of easy prep can make a huge difference in what you take off of that grill. Step 1. For a charcoal grill, you want to remove any old ash from the bottom of your grill. Too much ash buildup can obstruct the vents and make cooking temperatures harder to control. Ash also attracts and holds a lot of moisture, greatly speeding up the time in which rust will start to form in your grill. This step can also apply to the buildup in the bottom of your gas grill, which will also have an effect on the way your food turns out. Now, these are definitely some of the messiest steps, but really some of the most important. Step 2, cleaning the grill grate. Regardless of the type of grill brush or scraper you use, they all have the same goal in mind: getting your grilling surface ready to cook on. Last step, a super easy step that many of us haven't tried or simply forget about, is adding a light coating of oil to your grill grate. Once your grill is preheated, using a pair of tongs and a heat-safe glove, take a couple of sheets of paper towel, fold them up, dip it in some cooking oil, and spread evenly across the grate. For help with just what to put on that grill now that it's ready to roll, stop by your local Fareway Meat counter.